What are the pros and cons of buying a townhouse versus an apartment? The pros of a townhouse are you generally get more space, usually it's cheaper than a traditional home, and amenities like swimming pools and fitness centers are often included with the purchase of the townhouse. Some of the cons include a lack of privacy. Now you'll probably get more privacy than you would in most apartments, but still not quite as much privacy as you would get in a single family residence. Additionally, the location is not always ideal, and HOA fees are a part of the package for better or worse. Now that's a deal breaker for some people, it just depends on how you feel about it. As far as apartments go, some of the benefits are that you can include utilities in rent. As well, just like townhouses, a lot of apartment complexes have pretty appealing amenities, and oftentimes you can just include that in rent, which makes it easier to collect all of your payments at once. Additionally, you get to make all the rules. And lastly, apartments are very systematic, which means staying organized, keeping on track of every tiny moving part is incredibly easy. But getting to the cons of owning an apartment, they're small, oftentimes smaller than the average condo, townhouse, or single family property. As well, you have to handle all of the maintenance. A lot of renters are attracted to apartments because of the low upkeep. However, this is not such a big perk if you are the owner, landlord, or property manager. And circling back to including fees and amenities in the rent, it often means you have to keep your prices relatively low. And either you, your manager, or your management company really need to stay on top of things to make sure you're not operating at a loss. So if you were in the market and you weren't quite sure what the best choice for you is, hopefully this answered the question,